Hello, welcome to Level of Math for All. Today we are going to learn area of trapezoid formula and we are going to solve some of the trapezoid area problems. It's kind of sample problems. Before we get deep dive into the formula and understanding the labels of the trapezoid, first of all, we want to understand what do you mean of trapezoid? Trapezoid is nothing but a quadrilateral means four sides or four angles. Combination of four sides or four angles. It's called quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. In the sense, at least one pair of parallel sides, they should be in parallel. It means the other two might not be in parallels. Okay, and the non-parallel sides we call them as legs. Make sure that you remember these non-parallel sides we call them as legs. And the height between these two parallel sides, we call this one as a perpendicular height. You can't calculate height from here to here. It should be straightforward and 90 degrees side from the base to top of the parallel side. So this is called a trapezoid. So the thing is, we have four sides and we should have the height which is perpendicular to these two parallel sides. And two sides which are not parallel, we call them as legs. This four quadrilateral combination area, we call this one as a trapezoid. So now look into the formula. How to calculate the area of a trapezoid. First of all, let's get into the formula, then we'll get into the each letter representation. As we know, or if you don't know, the area is always represented with the capital A. So the thing is, area of a trapezoid, the formula is the parallel sides, the side A plus side B divided by 2 times height. That is the area of the formula. And there is another formula which you can look into. Half, that is nothing but 1 by 2 of A plus B, side A plus side B of the parallel sides times height. Both are same. Here we are first adding and then dividing the lengths of the side. Here we are putting the half as in front of the addition of side A and side B. Eventually we are multiplying with the height. Let's get in little deeper side of this trapezoid and try to solve some of the problems to find area of trapezoid. Before we try to learn more, please subscribe, make a comment, and like the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get future alerts. So what do you mean of area of a trapezoid? The area of a trapezoid is the measure of the region enclosed by the four connected angles. It means this is the region are connected by these four different angles. We have to measure it. That's called the area. So as we know, the formula A equal to A plus B by 2 times height. So this is height, this is angle A, this is side A, this is side B, these two are parallel, this is side C, this is side D. They are not parallel. We call them as legs. Okay, let's try to find a solution to a small problem, that is to find area of a trapezoid. It says find the area of a trapezoid with parallel sides measures 5 meters and 9 meters and the height of 6 meters. So we have to find a area of a trapezoid which has two sides. They are parallel. One is 5 meters, another one is 9 meters, and the height measured as a 6 meters. So let's put this information into the graphical representation. So we have side A and side B, as we talked about, they should be in parallel. And here is the height. Let's substitute the values into the picture. So whenever you try to solve any problem, especially in the graphical problem, make sure that you put a picture on a paper and try to represent the sides, height, and angles and give the values so that it will be easy for you to understand what kind of problem you are solving and which letter represents what and what the values are, right? So here we saw there is a parallel side measuring 5 and 9. So let's keep this as a parallel side, and one is a small, one is a big one. So then I said, like, small one is a 5 meters in the A side, and the big one is the 9 meters on the B side. Okay. Now, as we see, these two are not parallel, and they are kind of like, we call them as legs rather than the sides. Okay. Now the height of this parallel, the trapezoid is 6 meters. So here the height is 6 meters. Now we will look into the formula. Area of a trapezoid A equal to A plus B divided by 2 times of H. Given sides, what sides we have? A and B, those are measured as a 5 and 9 meters. Given height, that's H, we have 6 meters. Let's substitute the values in the formula and see what we get. So the formula is A plus B by 2 times H. That is nothing but 5 plus 9 by 2 times 6. Because A is 5, B is 9, and H is 6. Then 5 plus 9 is 14. That's divided by 2 times 6. Now, if you look in 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 6 is 42. So the area of a trapezoid is 42 square meters. You should remember how we are answering here. Whenever you get in a question, the sides or height, anything says in meters, the answer will come into picture saying that it should be square meters. If it is a centimeters, that answer will be in square centimeters. Make sure meters in question, square meters in answer. Centimeters in question, square centimeters in the answer. That is the funda you have to remember. So that means the trapezoid encloses region of 42 square meters within its boundaries. As I mentioned, the boundaries are here. The region which we measured with the side A is 5 meters and side B is 9 meters and a height of 6 meters, and the overall area is 42 square meters. Okay, now it's your turn to solve this problem on your own. The problem is to find area of a trapezoid. So the thing is, find the area of a trapezoid with parallel sides measuring 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters and the height of 5 centimeters. You see here, you got the problem with centimeters. Your answer should be in square centimeters. That is a funda one. When you apply this information on an image, there is a 4 centimeter, that is a shorter side. It should be on the A. And the 5 centimeters, that is a longer side, that should be on the B. And these should be in parallel side. Now 5 centimeters is the height. As we know, the perpendicular line between these parallel sides is height. That should be 5 centimeters. So you know the formula, A plus B by 2 times height. So it should be 4 plus 5 by 2, that's 9 by 2, that's a 4.5 times 5. Let's do the math and you will get the answer. The answer should be in the square centimeters. Please subscribe Level Up Math for All, like it, post the comment, click on the bell icon for future videos. Thank you.